Hey everyone, what if your car suddenly refuses to shift gears or hesitates while driving? You check your OBD-II scanner and there it is, P0904, Gate Select Position Circuit Malfunction. This means the gate select sensor in your transmission is either malfunctioning or not communicating properly, leading to shifting issues. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you the exact sensor locations, possible causes, and how to fix this error step by step. DTC P0904 appears when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects an issue with the Gate Select Position sensor. This sensor helps determine which gear the driver is trying to engage and sends signals to the TCM. If the signal is too weak, too strong, or completely missing, the system triggers P0904, leading to shifting problems, warning lights, and even transmission failure. Car struggles to shift gears. Check engine light or transmission. Warning light on delayed or rough shifting. Gear shift lever feels stuck or unresponsive. Transmission goes into limp mode, stuck in one gear. Gate Select Position Sensor, mounted inside or on top of the transmission housing. Usually located near the gear selector mechanism. Transmission Control Module, TCM, found inside the engine bay, near the transmission or under the dashboard. Processes signals from the Gate Select sensor, wiring harness and connectors. Runs between the Gate Select Position Sensor, TCM, and fuse box. Check your vehicle's service manual for exact sensor locations. Faulty Gate Select Position Sensor, malfunctioning or sending incorrect signals, damaged wiring or corroded connectors, broken wires or loose connections affecting sensor signals, defective Transmission Control Module, TCM, failing to process gear selection inputs, low transmission fluid or internal damage, affecting the movement of gear selectors, software glitch in the TCM, outdated firmware causing incorrect gear selection readings. Step 1. Check battery voltage. A weak battery can cause sensor miscommunication. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or loose connections. Step 3. Test the gate. Select position sensor. Replace it if it's faulty. Step 4. Check transmission fluid levels. Low or dirty fluid can affect gear shifting. Step 5. Reset or reprogram the TCM. If necessary, update or replace it. Ignoring P0904 can lead to complete transmission failure and expensive repairs. Fix the issue early to keep your car shifting smoothly. For more OBD2 error codes, check out these videos. P0674, Cylinder 4, Glow Plug Circuit, P0675, Cylinder 5 Glow Plug Circuit. This is IG Garage, your go-to source for car fixes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.